Welcome to our updated guide on how to delete your Instagram account. If you're looking to permanently remove your presence from the platform, follow these step-by-step instructions. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Once the app is launched, locate and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the 3-bar symbol in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu where you can navigate to Settings and Privacy. Within the Settings menu, tap on Account Center, then select Personal Details. This will lead you to the section where you can manage your account ownership and control. Under Account Ownership and Control, choose Deactivation or Deletion. This will prompt you to select the Instagram account you wish to deactivate. Ensure that Deactivate Account is selected. Then proceed by tapping Continue. You will be prompted to enter your password for security verification. Select your reason for deactivating the account and click on Continue to proceed further with the deletion process. Confirm your decision by hitting Deactivate Account. It's important to note that after 30 days from your account deletion request, your account and all associated information will be permanently deleted from Instagram. By following these steps, you can effectively remove your Instagram account and all its contents. Take control of your online presence and privacy with these simple instructions. Thank you for watching our tutorial on deleting your Instagram account. We hope this guide has been helpful in managing your social media accounts. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.